Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in pet supplies and aquarium products. Today, we're diving into the Carefree Fish 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit, a versatile, high-quality cleaning solution that will keep your fish tank spotless with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquarist, this is the best fish tank cleaning kit with brush net that you need in your arsenal. The Carefree Fish 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain a clean and healthy tank for their aquatic friends. This kit comes with everything you need, including a long extendable handle that adjusts from 20 to 36 inches, making it ideal for tanks of various sizes. The telescopic design allows you to reach every corner of your tank without getting your hands wet, making cleaning quick and easy. Included in the kit are 6 essential tools: a gravel rake, scraper, flat sponge cleaner, right-angle sponge, tube brush, and a fish net. Each tool has been designed for durability and efficiency, ensuring that you can clean your tank thoroughly without damaging your equipment or aquarium walls. The strong stainless steel materials prevent rusting, and the extendable handle ensures you can clean even deep tanks with ease. One of the standout features of this kit is the convenience it offers. The extendable handle can be adjusted to fit different water depths, from 18 inches to 24 inches, allowing for a customizable cleaning experience. This ensures that no matter what type of tank you have, whether it's shallow or deep, you'll be able to clean it effortlessly. Plus, the tools are easy to use and lightweight, making them suitable for all skill levels. Maintaining a clean fish tank is essential for the health of your aquatic pets. Algae buildup, dirt, and debris can negatively impact the quality of water, which can lead to a range of problems for your fish. The Carefree Fish Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit ensures you can efficiently remove algae and debris, keeping the water clean and your fish happy. The scraper and sponge cleaners are especially effective at getting rid of stubborn algae, while the gravel rake helps you clean the bottom of the tank. Another benefit of this kit is its versatility. While the scraper is not suitable for acrylic tanks, it works perfectly with glass aquariums. The various cleaning accessories allow you to tackle every area of your tank, from the glass walls to the hard-to-reach corners. Whether you're dealing with tough algae or just need to give your tank a general cleaning, this kit has got you covered. The Carefree Fish 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit is also built to last. The high-quality materials ensure long-term durability, and proper care, like keeping the tools dry after use, will help you avoid rust and extend the life of the kit. The set is designed to be both efficient and durable, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. If you're tired of struggling with ineffective cleaning tools or spending too much time maintaining your tank, this kit is the solution you've been looking for. With its adjustable handle, durable materials, and all-in-one design, it's the ultimate choice for aquarium cleaning. Say goodbye to messy fish tank cleaning sessions and hello to a pristine tank with the Carefree Fish 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit. That wraps up today's review. If you want to make aquarium maintenance easier and more efficient, the Carefree Fish 6-in-1 Aquarium Cleaning Tools Kit is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more great product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy tank cleaning.